how to fix GTA 5 entry point not found problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on GTA 5, then go to properties. After that you will find compatibility, then click change settings for all users. Now just click here. First just enable this option and click Windows 7, then click apply and then close it, and apply again here and close it. After that, just go to settings, privacy, scroll down until you find background apps. Now just turn off the background apps that you don't want, the unnecessary background apps, or you can just turn off all those applications just by turning off the first option. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.